Hey buddies, welcome to Healthylicious Snack Time with Buddy. So today we're going to see how to make banana stem aloo tikki. So let's get started. So I have cut 250 grams of banana stem and have just soaked it in turmeric curd water so that it doesn't turn out black. And I have taken 3 boiled potatoes, just mash it and keep it ready. Now place a kadai on stove and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 teaspoon of jeera, now add 1 finely chopped onion, add 2 cut green chilies and saute. Now add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute for a minute. Now add the cut banana stem to it and saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Now just close with the lid and allow it to cook for around 5 minutes. So now it's half cooked and just mash it using the spatula. Now add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of garam masala and mix it well and saute them until raw smell is gone. Now add the mashed potatoes to it and mix it well. Now just sprinkle some coriander leaves to it and mix it well. And now it's ready and just switch off the flame and allow it to cool. Now add 2 tablespoons of rice flour and 1 tablespoon of fine semolina to it and mix it well. Combine everything and form a dough. Now divide the dough into small equal parts. So now we have divided the dough equally into parts. Now take one part, just roll it and press it. Do the same for the rest of the parts. So now it's ready and we'll just roast it on tawa. Heat the tawa on low flame and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Using a brush, just spread it all over. Now place the tikki one by one on it. Now cover with the lid and allow it to cook for around 3 minutes on low flame. Now just flip it to the other side. Allow it to cook for another 3 minutes. Now just keep flipping it and roast it until it turns brown and crispy. So now it's ready and just transfer it to a plate. Do the same with the rest. So our healthy banana stem aloo tikki is ready and you can serve them with chutney. So do try this recipe at home and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for upcoming videos.